Senior Advisor of the President of the Republic, Honorable Agany, the Secretary General of the Government of South Sudan, Vice Chancellor Professor Kech, MPs, dignitaries, mourners, I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I stand here as a family friend, and I'm indeed humbled to have been accorded this opportunity to say a few things in this occasion. Uncle Agany is a great man. He's a great leader. He's a great mentor. Many of us back in late 1960s, early 1970s to mid 1970s grew up under his guidance. He guided us when he was the chair of the Council of Parents and Teachers of Mangala Primary School. And indeed, those 4 years that he was the chair was the golden age of Mangala Primary School. I remember in like 3 or 4 years in a row, Mangala Primary School excelled and led primary school certificate without a break when Agany was in charge of the Parents' Council. We pay this special tribute to him because he has built a generation of children of South Sudan. A glory that goes beyond many other glories that we have talked about and his other achievements at the personal level. That is important for me to underscore before I say a few things in Jiang language. Wewe panda yana katiga konloel ganji daira ran ben nane katiga kilo luke niya kola kapiet di koy kok jaka bat jaka dor wanu nang rachol dar achi bat ni lo gob yiji ko jwe chi Agany jaka dor na pi dai che jam tung dana apat benang ketinde binyai kabaglul nongwa kana Aguto kau achi bijwich akali garet kutuen Agany goy chuloi de loy kan ramping kana rinywa na to wote ki chole miyor piat ken kale keke no wo ko yo lwel bai ayo ki chole commander of liberation like many of us jamande ibai ko lo menyankan title kan panchol kuba achen gtie ki chite na chelwel hino comandante de la liberación de la revolution que yani no commander de revolution e title tie ki jare ananen te yana commanders ka revolution yana ka gorentin ka ganya Aguto rin ka to among the commanders ka revolution. Agatina wan chol general jogo bani yogutan na che Ache dira redo opioid. Ache dira redo opioid. Anu general ache akam ko kwer juj. Lakin panan kaya part of aku kulwan yana bi pan bay. Yana tum tiagich. Mama ganya Aguto, kirando elu ni kan kule na kwengok ya ganya Aguto chikagam jende SPLA. Kakalo, they are 400 and above. No man have deal tag. My children, they are 1,000 and above, and we create a mal desert for my celebration carry any year. Go on well to the opinion 1991 year. By any other partner. The Juba by taking the cannon, what come on the Gam, the Lullaby. We don't do here. I think you don't hear. Kuma I didn't invent a Kuburumku. Yay walk and want to do. I think you don't invested for the liberation, your liberation like Choke, your liberation, Chilachok, and Chaka Cham, Kakaman, Akajaga and Aguta Chakaboy. Wet, Shandia, a union one mother cow. Jayin in Agany go. Then can care and don't go to any live. Wetka? The other deed can. The burden of eldership. But don't know by in a deed. Makana Reja Ganyagan, and over the ping the Yamengo with within a cow, I don't bury here and it. Bearman and Jagan to money. I cheer back the Nagadunda, Shibaba Loy. Akaba quite a gang, family did. This establishment, this institution, they don't Panagana Aguto, Victor and beyond this generation. The biggest challenge. Burden of eldership. And the Kabagaji can woman, Bagalo. I can't be into Agany to wake, and go to Bargo or wake. Can the below it? Oh, quite rare than a Kisha Gancha. Again. I took a deal. Waganya Charan or quite dear somebody who been clear the bar and to go to Bible. Or quite dear point and quality. Again on Ajakguong to a level of primary school. That was the vision. A lot of Rome 1983. A vision, a Kirobale, Kiria Gaganchi. The top and the Kiroloi. This when you go in a town of Kupa and a Kiria 1983, of course, and a Kiria for a good reason. Ogunan Republic, Yemen, Kyonan Republic, one quite right. But a Kiria 1983 at the individual level, and Cholagana Aguto, Kacharan here, and they are well meet Aganto, the school age. Up here. The Quaker got the Panama on the Ginako, you would do by Agada. I got here to the school. The Ghana adapt over it. And so your mission, every time we met in one road, every really walk away agenda. Ben Yankin in Japan, we get over by his fundamental of leadership. The Kana would mean that in another 10 years from now, Dakinum, in what transformation in Borolo and Aguto. Kana the Tony Lawalan, when I'm Bukojitan. Which a mock, but they were quite a canisa with Japan, well, and a gang, they're in Kungo.